Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with Best Printers, and today we are going to be installing the ink on the HP Officejet Pro 8210. In this short video, I'm basically going to be showing you how to install the ink on this printer and kind of just doing it all slowly, explanatory, but also there's a piece of information I want to share with you in about 20 seconds. So you see the bottom of the ink cartridge, and everything is designed so that it just slides in place, and those holes that are on the back go directly onto and connect with the ink nozzle. Now make sure to match up all of the colors. It's all labeled on the print head which colors go where, but really you're going to be sliding it in just like you see there, and then you are going to want to push it once and then pull on it, and you will see if it was placed in there correctly. If you're able to take it out, you did not do it correctly. You have to push it once again with your thumb on the front of the cartridge so that it is in place in the print head. Okay, so next is the yellow. Same for all of the other colors, except they're going to be smaller cartridges, so you kind of have to fit them in between each other, some of them. Now, if you wanted to buy some more, inexpensive versions of this ink, I'm going to leave a link in the description below that's going to say remanufactured HP ink. That's going to be cheaper for you, and it's going to be the same ink, basically. So I hope that's helpful for you. So this is really all there is to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time.